Wichita's largest employer, Spirit AeroSystems, has been dealing with a lot of turbulence lately. A number of lawsuits over problems lately against the company has many wondering what the future holds. KAKE's Stephanie Maniche tells us what one economist is saying.
Production errors, delivery delays, a union strike, falling stock prices, and a class action lawsuit have kept Spirit AeroSystems the recent topic of conversation. Even though the list continues to build, local economist Jeremy Hill remains optimistic.
I don't think you should see a whole lot of mass layoffs or anything like that. What we will see is change up in some management, right? Some supervisors, and then some workers could, have some effects depending on where they were connected to those lines.
Friends University professor Russell Arbin Fox says when Boeing shut down the 737 years ago, it had a big impact on Wichita. Fox says it depends on how Spirit responds to a class action lawsuit as to how things will play out.
You could see Spirit closing down different divisions. You could see them reorganizing their workforce in different ways. And depending on how they do that, that could, as I said, in turn affect a lot of smaller operators.
The lawsuit claims bolts on the Boeing 737 MAX 9 weren't properly installed. This comes after a piece on an Alaska airliner blew off in midair, leaving a gaping hole on the side of the plane. Hill says the demand for Spirit remains high. He says Spirit is the golden child of aerospace, and the dependence Boeing has on them for manufacturing leaves no other options for suppliers.
The market demand for commercial has remained so high versus what we could supply, Spirit has to come out of this still producing, right? Boeing needs them to still produce. It is so critical.
The FAA announced Wednesday morning its investigation into Boeing's manufacturing practices. Fox says there could be a slowdown with anything connected to the 737, causing a domino effect.
And that doesn't just affect Spirit, but it spreads out to a lot of smaller organizations, small firms, engineering outfits that specialize in various tools and parts that they make use of.
In a statement from Spirit AeroSystems, it strongly disagrees with the accusations made against it. Fox says the suit could affect the Wichita economy, but says it wouldn't be catastrophic. Stephanie Maniche, KAKE News on your side.